Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to invest on any salary. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, regardless of your income level. Many people mistakenly believe that investing is only for the wealthy, but in reality, anyone can start investing, even on a modest salary. This script will guide you through the steps to begin investing with any income, whether you're a recent graduate, working a low-wage job, or simply looking to make the most of your paycheck. This comprehensive guide will help you take your first steps towards financial security and wealth building through smart investments. But before getting on to the topic, let me tell you that whatever we are going to earn through this video, we will donate 9% of it to the education of unprivileged children. In fact, 9% of the total earnings from this channel. Our vision is that every child will be educated by the end of 2034 in India. If you want to join us and be a helping hand in our journey, then do subscribe to the channel. Step 1. Understanding the basics. Before you start investing, it's crucial to understand the fundamental concepts and principles like number 1. Set financial goals. Begin by defining your financial objectives, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or building an emergency fund. Having clear goals will guide your investment strategy. Number 2. Budgeting. Regardless of your income, effective budgeting is the foundation of investing. Create a budget that tracks your income, expenses, and savings potential. This will help identify how much you can allocate towards investments. Number 3. Emergency fund. Before you begin investing, ensure you have an emergency fund in place. This safety net will cover unexpected expenses and prevent you from tapping into your investments prematurely. Step 2. Choosing the right investment vehicles. There are various investment options available, and the choice depends on your risk tolerance, goals, and financial situation. Number 1. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Consider opening an IRA, such as a traditional or Roth IRA, to further save for retirement. These accounts offer tax advantages. Number 2. Stock market. Investing in individual stocks or exchange-traded funds, ETFs, can be a great way to grow your wealth. They're suitable for those who can want a hands-off approach to investing. Number 3. Mutual funds. Mutual funds offer diversification by pooling money from multiple investors to invest in various assets. Start with companies you believe in, research thoroughly. Number 4. Real estate. Real estate can be a viable option if you have enough capital for a down payment or are interested in real estate investment trusts. Step 3. Getting started. Now that you have a clear understanding of your financial situation and investment options, it's time to take action. Number 1. Start small. You don't need a large sum to begin investing. Many brokerage platforms allow you to start with minimal amounts, often as low as $100. Number 2. Automate investments. Set up automatic contributions to your investment accounts. This ensures that you consistently invest regardless of your income. Number 3. Diversify. Spread your investments across different asset classes to reduce risk. Diversification is key to long-term success. Step 4. Continued education. Investing is a continuous learning process. As you embark on your investment journey, consider these ongoing practices. Number 1. Stay informed. Keep up with financial news and market trends. This knowledge will help you make informed investment decisions. Number 2. Review and adjust. Periodically review your investment portfolio. Adjust your holdings as needed to align with your goals and risk tolerance. Number 3. Seek professional advice. Consider consulting with a financial advisor, especially as your investments grow. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial situation. Step 5. Mitigating risk. Investing always carries some level of risk. Here is how to minimize it. Number 1. Emergency fund. Maintain a robust emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and avoid withdrawing from your investments during market downturns. Number 2, diversification. We've mentioned this before, but it's worth emphasizing. Diversify your investments across different asset classes and industries to reduce risk. Number 3, long-term perspective. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations. Focus on your long-term goals. Number 4, risk tolerance. Assess your risk tolerance and invest accordingly. If you're risk-averse, choose safer investment options, such as bonds or dividend-paying stocks. Step 6, tracking progress. Regularly monitor your investments to ensure they align with your financial goals. Keep track of contributions, gains, and losses. Adjust your strategy as your income grows or your goals change. Tracking progress is crucial in both personal and professional settings. It helps individuals and organizations stay on course, measure success, and make informed decisions. Here's how to effectively track progress. Number 1, set clear goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, basically SMART goals. Ensure everyone involved understand these goals. Number 2, identify key performance indicators, KPIs. Determine the metrics or indicators that will measure progress toward your goals. These KPIs should align with your objectives and provide actionable insights. Number 3, establish baseline data. Gather data or information that represents your starting point before you begin working on your goals. This data will serve as a reference point for measuring progress. Number 4, regularly collect data. Continuously gather data related to your KPIs and use consistent methods and tools for data collection to maintain accuracy. Number 5, analyze and interpret data. Regularly review collected data and interpret its meaning, and identify trends, patterns, and areas where progress is being made or needs improvement. Number 6, set milestones and targets. Break down your goals into smaller milestones or targets. These milestones provide a sense of achievement along the way and help you stay motivated. Number 7, use visual aids. Create charts, graphs, or dashboards to visually represent your progress. Visual aids make it easier to understand and communicate your progress to others. Number 8, adjust and adapt. If progress is slower than expected or if obstacles arise, be prepared to adapt your strategies and tactics. And do remember, flexibility is key to maintaining momentum. Number 9, communicate progress. Share progress updates with relevant stakeholders, whether it's team members, clients, or superiors. And transparent communication fosters accountability and alignment. Number 10, celebrate achievements. Acknowledge and celebrate milestones and achievements, no matter how small. And recognition boosts morale and motivation. Number 11, reflect and learn. Periodically assess what's working and what isn't. Use lessons learned to refine your strategies and improve future progress tracking. Number 12, stay focused on objectives. Don't lose sight of your original goals and objectives, and ensure that all efforts remain aligned with these goals. Number 13, automate tracking where possible. Utilize technology and tools to automate data collection and analysis. Automation can save time and reduce errors. Number 14, seek feedback. Solicit feedback from team members or stakeholders to gain different perspectives on progress. Feedback can lead to valuable insights and improvements. Effective progress tracking is an iterative process that empowers individuals and organizations to stay agile and responsive to changing circumstances. If you're a book reader, then do read the 3 books mentioned in the description for more enlightenment on the following topic. Investing in any salary is achievable with proper planning and discipline. Start small, educate yourself, and remain committed to your financial goals. Over time, your investments will grow, helping you secure a brighter financial future, no matter your level of income. Remember, consistency and patience are key to successful investing. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. Your support means the world to us. Stay tuned for our next video coming soon. Thanks again for being a part of our community. See you next time.